Good afternoon, my name's Russell Ridderford, President of ANCA. Welcome to IMTS 2022. Excited to be here with Cutting Tool Engineering, our friend Dennis, and our cameraman Keith. Thanks for joining us. Excited to show you AIM's innovation from the company that you'd expect to bring it to market, and that's ANCA. First time showing in the Americas, and excited to have our product manager Jan with us that is going to take us through the basics of AIMS and give you an overview of AIMS. So Jan.
Thank you very much, Russell, for introduction. My name is Jan. I'm product manager based in Australia, and I'm responsible for AIMS system here. And we just want to talk to you about the new innovation which ANCA is bringing to the market, and we are showing it in this IMTS in 2022. And as you know, ANCA has been in forefront of innovation for over 40 years, and this time is no different, and they bring in this new solution to the market, which is called ANCA, Integrated Manufacturing System, or AIMS for short. So what it's all about, it's like an ecosystem or operating system helping tool manufacturers to achieve better outcomes, to manufacture more tools with less labor, to achieve better accuracy over long batches, over extended period of time, and insulate themselves from the labor market, get access to accurate data to make smarter decisions based on information harvested by the AIMS server. So we're very excited to show it to you today, and we're happy to talk you through individual stations of the system. So like the first step of the AIMS manufacturing cell is called auto set. So that's where the operator will prepare the jobs. And the other one is called Zoller auto line. So that's where tools are being taken for measurement. So this very cool feature of the AIMS cell, it provides fully automated closed loop measurement and compensation system without human intervention. So this is first in the world system which delivers this capability. So what it gives you the first and the tool number 1000 in exactly the same tolerance and spec. So it's quite revolutionary, and you're very excited about it. Other portion of the system is auto fetch. As you can see, there's a mobile robot which transfers the pallets and individual tools between processes, between preparation, between the grinding and measurement, and all without human intervention at all. So this is the fully scaled automation, but also AIMS is built with modularity and flexibility in mind, which means that you can use it as a smaller operator, you can start your journey with a smaller scale, the software solution, and grow the system as your capability and your requirement is growing as well. So talk to us about it. We'd be very happy to see how AIMS can help you achieve better outcomes in the current world. It's a great system to help you achieve better manufacturing capability.
It's wonderful, Jan. So good afternoon. Pleased to have Cutting Tool Engineering back at the ANCA booth, and excited to introduce the MX7 Ultra to the Americas market. A new machine from ANCA, first showed at Grinding Hub a couple of months ago, and excited to bring it to the US. And who better to tell us more about the Ultra than product manager Thompson Matthew. Thompson, please tell our guests about the MX7 Ultra.
Okay, so this is our premium offering to the market to manufacture a high quality, high surface finish, high performance cutting tools. So there's a lot of innovation going into this machine to make this happen. So we've got, for a start, ANCA's patented a motor temperature control to maintain stability of the cutting diameter. So that's built into the spindle algorithm on this machine. So that maintains stability in the grinding spindle during all the grinding operations, and maintains a stable diameter on the cutting tools.
Fantastic.
The second one is the nanometer resolution. So the current resolution on the machines is a 1 micron, and we have brought it down to a nanometer level, which increases the surface finish on these machines. So just to give you an explanation, what's a nanometer? It's how much your fingernails grows by every second. And that is an innovation on this machine, and it's first time to market on the Ultra machines.
That's fantastic, Thompson, and also nanometer not only helps us with surface finish, but tool geometry quality. You're just about to go into that.
Yep. So it also brings in the cutting edge sharpness and the surface finish on the cutting edge. So it maintains that sharp edge, reduces microchips on the cutting edge, which gives better cutting performance on the cutting tools. Something else we have introduced on this is the runout compensation, a total runout compensation at a kinematic level. So that actually compensates in 3 axes, the X, Y, and Z, and maintains the runout under a micron for the entire batch grinding of these tools. So that reduces setup time and increases productivity.
Fantastic. So a brand new release at IMTS, MX7 Ultra, a premium machine for a premium cutting tool for our customers, and we're pleased to release it here at IMTS. So excited to have Cutting Tool Engineering back again in front of the GCX. Another new product coming from ANCA with the growth of the EV market and the needs to making complex gears, grinding complex gears and complex skiving tools. ANCA, renowned for innovations, bringing high-end accuracy and software to the market. This product line fits well within ANCA's capabilities. And so to tell us more about the GCX, introduce our product manager for the GCX, Gavin, to tell us a few words about our new product.
Hi, so we're here at the GCX machine. On our GCX machine, we can manufacture and resharpen gear cutting tools from skiving cutters, shaper cutters, and we're also able to resharpen hobs. So this machine's fitted with a lot of bells and whistles, high accuracy guideways. The accuracy of this machine is pretty amazing. We've got a secondary dresser. We have in-process measurement of the gear cutting tools. So right now we're measuring the tooth-to-tooth spacing, and we're also able to measure the involute profile. So we can do everything that you can do on a gear measurement or gear cutting tool measuring machine right here in process without taking the tool out of the grinder.
So we're measuring the skiving cutter in the machine, Gavin.
Yeah, correct.
Now, Gavin, you didn't touch on the motor temperature control, which is a new innovation from ANCA, a patented pending feature. Why don't you tell us a little more about the motor temperature control and how it plays an important role in the accuracy of the machine?
Yeah, so the motor temperature control we have on the grinding spindle and the secondary dresser. So the motor temperature control keeps those grinding spindles at a constant temperature, and that helps us to maintain the accuracy of the tool to the levels that are required for DIN AA and DIN AAA quality cutters.
Fantastic. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our booth. Thanks for joining us, Cutting Tool Engineering. I'm joined here by product manager for the CPX, Santosh. Santosh is going to take us through the ANCA model and tell us a little more about the pitch peel grinding from ANCA.
Yes, so I'm in front of the CPX here, which is CP for cylindrical profile, and this machine is mainly used in grinding cutting tool blanks. It uses the unique pinch peel grinding method, and this machine is probably the most powerful in terms of the material removal rates which is available in the market today. It has a roughing spindle which is almost 3 times than what you can find in the market today. It's basically a 3-axis machine, plus the A-axis can also be included as a 4th axis. There is a roughing wheel and a finishing wheel which simultaneously grinds as the blank is longitudinally fed into the grinding wheel. Along with that, the machine is also equipped with ANCA's unique MTC system, which actually maintains the temperature of your grinding spindle no matter what the torque requirements are. Now, additionally, the machine comes with a couple of options just to enhance your production requirements. So you have the flip station, which is mainly used for double-ended cutting tool blanks where you can process both these sides without having to manually load and unload them. And then you have the tailstock for long and slender blanks. Plus, we are introducing the in-process OD measurement system, which is basically a Marpos branded system at the show here. So you can see there, as the demo is running, what we can see here is the blanks are being loaded, unloaded, multiple different grinding parts have been simulated, plus all the options, they come in and go showing their capability. So that's basically an overview, and yeah, Russell.
That's fantastic, Santosh. Another exciting machine from ANCA that's brought a lot of innovation to the industry and allows our customers to have an ANCA machine for the beginning of the cutting tool process
and then
to prepare the blank to go to the tool grinder for the finished blank.
Exactly right.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thank you.
Santosh, thanks very much.
Yeah, thanks, Russell. Thank you.
Welcome back again, Cutting Tool Engineering. Excited that you're stopped by the ANCA booth. I want to introduce you to Darren, and Darren is the product manager for our AutoMark X, another new machine from ANCA. Addresses the laser issue of lasering cutting tools. So with that, Darren, thanks for being with us, and tell us about the AutoMark X.
Okay, so as Russell mentioned, the AutoMark X is a fully automated laser marking station. So it takes away that repetitiveness in labour. It allows your employee to go off and work on another machine and saving money and go and make money on another machine. So we have our standard Romo mode pellets that we can use with all of our ANCA machines. We can run 2 fully loaded pellets and 2 unloaded pellets, and we can run from diameters 3 millimeters up through to diameter 32, or in Imperial is 1/8 to 1.25 inch. And it's quite a simple thing just to change the pellet over, select your program and start again. So yeah, it really takes away that labour cost and those overheads.
So the beauty, Darren, you were explaining to me before, using the Fanuc robot allows us to do laser scans in several positions on the periphery, but also scan the end of the tool. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Correct. So it allows us to scan in, it's quite flexible, the robot, so we have an ability to scan on one side of the tool, so we can either put your company logo, the part numbers, text, serialization, tracking numbers on one side of the tool. On the opposite side of the tool, we can add something else, or on the end of the tool, we can even put a QR code where we can scan it and read all the customer information or the tool information and so on.
So that's one of the differentiators, Darren, is that by using a Fanuc robot, we get the ability to laser etch in more locations.
Correct, it's more locations in one setup. If we were to try and do this on a manual machine or a manual laser station, we would have to do it in 3 different setups. This allows us to do it in one complete setup.
Fantastic. Darren, thanks very much. Again, a new innovation from ANCA, great technology, and appreciate you showing us.
No worries, thanks Russell.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks.
What we're showing here is the FX7 from ANCA. A new feature that we're highlighting on the model is dynamic loading for resharpening of cutting tools. And with that, I'm joined with the product manager, Andreas. Andreas is the product manager for the complete FX line, and with that, Andreas, can you give us a brief overview of the dynamic loading and what we're showing here?
Yes, of course, Russell. Thanks very much. It's great excitement here on the booth. So FX7, the most automated machine model in the FX range, here at IMTS, now fitted with a new ANCA RFID mixed batch dynamic loading system. That system actually can have more automation even than the normal FX7, as it now changes the collets based on a pre-programmed RFID information that will be called up in the machine.
You know, the ability to take a resharpening batch of tools from a customer's box, whether it's a 1/2 inch, a 1/4 inch, 3/8, ball nose, square end, corner radius. We drop it in an RFID, we put it anywhere in the pallet, the loader picks up the tool, scans it across the RFID reader, draws the file from the machine and resharpens. It doesn't get any easier than that. If you're watching the video after IMTS, please, the full product line is accessible for viewing on our website at www.anca.com, or go to our YouTube channel. All of our machines have a short video on their operations and give you a great insight into to the technology from ANCA. Thank you.